At Electric Miles, our vision is to enable homes, businesses, and electric vehicles to share in the production, storage, supply, and management of decentralized energy and reap the many benefits. There will be 11 million EVs on our roads by 2030, and in order to cope with the demand, we will all need to find ways to charge smarter. Smart technologies can reduce the demand the grid experiences by 15 gigawatts, the same energy as 1.5 billion LED lights. Today, Electric Miles is already helping hundreds of EV owners manage their charging, save money and be greener in the process. We have expanded to include the battery storage systems used by many homes and businesses that have solar panel systems. In just a few years, when these EVs and batteries can all work together, the technology we are developing at Electric Miles will help save us all up to £40 to £50 billion in costs. Just as with an electric vehicle, we can help those homes and businesses to store up energy when it is cheapest, and use it or sell it when the energy tariff is highest. When thousands of our users do this together, Electric Miles helps reduce the stress on our overburdened electricity grid, and we share the rewards with our users. The key is our Smart Flex, a decentralized technology that manages battery storage by scheduling, resolving, and aggregating the energy needs of individual vehicles, homes, or large groups of storage assets together. We connect all these batteries to the energy market so that their owners can benefit from their energy saving or use, and the grid remains reliable and secure. Our flexibility engine issues charging schedules and charging commands to batteries, reports this to the system operators for payment, and we arrange settlement with the relevant parties and battery owners. We handle both the charging needs of individuals, homes, and businesses, as well as help them participate and profit in the energy markets. This is Smart Flex, the first step in bringing flexible energy for you to create a more efficient, sustainable, and connected energy grid for all users.